Whoa.
Are we zoomed?
No.
We're just close.
Oh, it is zoomed all the
Yeah.
way. That looks better.
You ready? Do you want to record?
Stop. We are recording. We are. I feel like you need to come over here. No. Just like that.
He just wanted to see me spin in circles.
I did. What are we doing? I don't even know what we're doing. I'm trying to sell cars.
Okay, everybody. We are back here at the shop today. It's Monday. I'm finna get started on this office. If you look right here, he's finna bring up a shot of the panels that we took down off the walls behind us. We got them all sanded. We got them all clear coated. They turned out amazing. So now it's time to start putting them up. Chase is gonna be in and out helping me. He's selling these limousines we just got. I think we got a buyer for those. But we're gonna start getting this stuff put up. I've gotta put liquid nails up. I've got my laser out because we gotta get all our holes drilled nice and straight because they're gonna be visible.
This is not what we bought.
I can't find what we bought.
We went to Brawley's and bought all new stuff.
I can't find it. Anywho, I'm gonna start putting these walls up today and we'll see how far we can get. It's gonna be a little tedious just getting all our holes lined up perfectly and straight, but everything's pre-cut and pre-made, labeled, numbered, and sectioned.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do
Quit
it.
talking. Quit talking.
I wanted to show you one more thing before I get started of what I gotta do. This insulation is wrapped over right here on these 2x4s, and when I'm putting these panels up, I'm gonna put liquid nails on them to help them stay against the wall and not be rattly and fit real nice. So I'm gonna trim back this insulation right here, just this cardboard part, because the liquid nails is only gonna stick what it's stuck to. That was stupid. But I need it to be on the wood so that we're actually adhering to the wood and not to the paper. So first things first is I'm gonna trim some of this stuff back and make it where it'll stick on there, knock any of these staples down and little nails they had on the old paneling holding everything up. And we'll get back to you.
You do have some progress.
I do have some progress.
I like it.
It looks good, right?
It does look good.
We got the bottom half of the wall up, which is the main part. Everything else will be based off of this as far as level and setup goes. So the bottom half's on, so now I'm gonna start putting the top half on and try to make this look cool. Our time-lapse camera was gone on another job, but it's back now, so we're gonna get some time-lapse footage of the rest of this. So you'll get to see it plop, 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 plop.
How's it go again?
Plop, 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 plop.
Okay.
Come along, here we go.
All right, let's do it.
Stop! Stop!
You want me to stop?
Yeah!
Okay. Is that good where we're at?
Yeah!
Okay, good. Nah, it's a 1953
Buick.
Buick, two-door hardtop.
It's rusty.
It's a rusty, dusty car, but if you can see, there's no post right here, so it's a hardtop. Russell informed me about that. Something I've never even really paid attention to. But I saw the car on Marketplace. A buddy of mine told me about it and sent it to me, and I went and purchased it last night. I didn't waste no time on getting this over here, or I went and bought it. So just paid cash for it, told him we'll be there today to pick it up. Now we got it, now it's ours. Who knows what we're gonna do with it. Red tie?
Red tie.
Does anybody need to get in it?
We'll see what happens.
Okay, which way is it?
The top one. It's the bottom one.
I told you it was the bottom. All right, let's go. Oh, no, 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 no. What's wrong? Oh, he got it in gear. No, he put it in gear, remember?
I think it's rolling.
Oh, okay. Are you
Come
sure?
on.
Is that tight now? Bottom one, right? Okay.
Now we're rolling.
Okay.
Picture me rolling. Come on, doggy. That's that winch life.
Hey, are we good over here? Cause look. Oh, we're good. Okay. Now we got to, okay, hold on. Turn the wheel straight, Russell.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's it. I think it looks pretty dang good. Because I'm bad, come on.
Eric, we want to get that one cleaned up.
Y'all got jokes.
You can wash it. Man, look at these cool wheels.
Them is 20s.
But we keep them clean. 10.
Are they really 15s? But we keep them clean like 20s.
We ain't even kept nothing clean. We just got it.
This
Excellent.
is East Texas Special. They are pop riveted in. Looks like some old house siding. So it's a high quality H2O. Look at that window.
Yeah, this window is pretty neat the way it rolls up. I know that's.
And they did that because this car doesn't have this vertical post on the door and on the quarter. That's why they call it a hard top. So when you open it up, it's like a balcony on a mansion, just wide open.
It is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like it. And all the glass is intact except for the front windshield. So we've got all the glass. We just need a front windshield. And the guy said a couple years ago that was $500.
Oh, there's a patch panel under the patch panel. These schnozberries taste like schnozberries.
Oh man. Hey, look at what is this? Why does it say Buick and you can push buttons?
It's just your radio.
Your radio says Buick?
Buick. Put it on station.
R.
No, you.
You.
Oh, how cool would it
Wait,
be?
is there even a damn... There ain't even an R in Buick. What am I talking about?
How cool would it be if you turn these into your air ride switches?
Oh, that'd be cool.
You know?
What was I thinking?
What?
I said R.
It's because you've been saying brick.
Buick. We've been saying Buick.
Yeah.
I think this car's...
I just think it's cool.
Oh,
car.
look. He said he bought this, and he doesn't even know if it goes to this car. But he bought it and said, make something cool out of that.
Is there an R in that one? No.
The amps are a little low.
Yeah.
And the gas, I don't know how much gas we got left.
So we bought this car just because it was a good deal and it's a cool car. It is very rusty, but it's kind of unique. So either somebody will buy it in the near future, or if we ever get around to it, I'm gonna cut this son of a gun up. Yeah.
We met a cool guy today. I saw a guy driving a little two-door Triumph. What year was that?
62.
it was nice. And he drove it all the way from Dallas, and
Just to ride around.
he said just to get out of the crazy Dallas, and it makes him feel good. And so we had a conversation with him today. He's a businessman, sounded like.
Yeah, but he was an interesting guy. He was
Super.
a great conversation.
Yeah.
And he enjoyed the conversation. He kept telling us how happy he was to have a good conversation.
Said it was the best conversation he had in years.
So
Which
that's flattering.
Makes us feel good.
I'm surprised my head fit in here.
But anyways, he was a cool guy, and we told him we were going to pick up this, and he was like, he liked this car. He said that's
Yeah.
a very unique car.
He didn't care about them limos.
He didn't even want to look at our limos. But he liked the MG and the Triumphs and
And the conversation.
conversation. So that
And
was
that's
cool.
why we got to do this podcast, just because people like that, we could have set him down right then and had a 45-minute conversation
We did.
that people, but I mean that other people would appreciate
Oh,
just
yeah.
as much as us appreciating him and him appreciating us.
I hope he comes back.
We've been busy today.
I haven't been busy on this, but I've been busier than crap on all sorts of other stuff.
Yeah.
I appreciate y'all watching these videos.
Yeah.
We've been having fun doing all this.
We've just been getting done.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
It is fun. And so, guys, if y'all will do us a favor and hit that subscribe button, the bell notification is somewhere, watch one of our other videos, and go out there and do what makes you happy, because that's what we're doing.
And let us know your opinion on these projects we're working on. I mean, this is just our ideas, but sometimes other people got cool ideas too. So we'd love to hear what you think about them, what you would have done differently, or, you know, if you've done one yourself, I'd like to see pictures of your chalkboards or your limousines, all that good stuff.
Cool.
So, thanks for coming along, guys. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see y'all next time.